After Hubbard, when our mans told on us, the bands they took from us. Joy Road, bitch, with the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock your ox down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap loud.
It's a really nice day out.
What's going on, guys? So today we are making a little road trip to go pick up a throttle body for the G8. I've been having a little problem with G8 lately and ended up not being an easy fix. I'll explain a little more of that in a little bit. Getting a pretty good deal on it. In the end, it's worth it. Wasn't planning on spending this money. I gotta get the car back running, so it is what it is. Anyways, let's go pick it up. Later, I got the throttle body. The reason I have to replace my throttle body is because something internally in mine is wrong, and it's something with the throttle position sensor. And I guess on my throttle body, I can't just replace that sensor. You pretty much just have to buy a brand new throttle body. So yeah, it kind of sucks because I know in some cases you can just replace a sensor, but in my case with the G8, you cannot replace just the sensor. So it does kind of suck. You got to get a whole new throttle body. So I'm on my way home, and let's go throw it on. Found this kid, told him to come over. All right, let's hopefully fix the G8. I got the new throttle body here. There's the old one. That's junk now. Pretty much just unplug this, take out this vacuum line, take that out. That's pretty much it. It's not that hard to do. It's just 4 bolts, 2 up here and then 2 on the bottom. The new one's on. Hopefully I have everything plugged in, or else it's gonna throw another code. But yeah, let's start it up and see if that fixed the problem. Well, it didn't throw a code, so that's good. So I think that fixed my problem. I drove it around the subdivision and it seemed fine. But and it did seem a little more responsive, so it is ported and polished. So hopefully that fixed it. I am waiting on
SRAM who just bought the red G8. Long story, I'll explain it when we're with him. We have to go pick his car up from a body shop. But I'm gonna wait for him to text me and then we're gonna go do that. I feel like I'm always having to fill up this thing. Gas just keeps going up and it does not help. I'm on my way to go pick up SRAM right now and we're gonna go get his car. Long story short, his sister backed into it in the driveway, did okay amount of damage. He had to take it to a collision shop. The car was very clean and it had few cosmetic errors, I guess you'd say. Yeah, let's go pick him up and we'll go pick the car up. Hey, brother.
Your car looks good, bro.
Alright, we're at the collision shop. There she is. Got the bumper fixed. That spoiler freshly painted. All of this was messed up. And also this hood scoop was messed up. And I will say they matched the paint pretty good. You happy with it?
Yeah.
There's a few things Buddy's done to his car, but we'll do that in a later video. But overall, shout out to that collision shop because they made it look brand new. SRAMs car turned out amazing. It looks like nothing ever even happened to it. And it looks so much better now without the clear coat issues on that front right hood scoop and the spoiler. As for my car with this throttle body, drove it a few miles and honestly it feels like a new car kinda. It just feels a lot more responsive, and I think my throttle body maybe was on its way out a long time ago and I never knew. Anyway, this might be the end of the video. We're going to Woodward tonight and I'm not sure if I'm gonna record or not, so this possibly could be the end. So I just wanted to say thanks for all the new subscribers recently. Channel's been going pretty good. And have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.